You are going to love the 2018 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, fog lamps. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.